All right, so this is the back of a Osaki OS Pro 3D Cyber massage chair. This is the 3D massage chair where the rollers, the depth can be adjusted from front to back. So this one has the large screen. So if you have an issue where you turn the massage chair on and you get the 15 MIN flashing, you'll have a 15 min like MIN right there flashing, and the whole screen is off, except for that. You'll have flashing, or you may even have beeping also. Some of the functions are still going to work, like the in my case, the foot massage worked, but none of these presets worked. Only the foot, you could adjust the footrest, the foot rollers worked, and some of these functions worked, but the track would not move up and down. When I say the track, I'm referring to this. This right here, this entire track would not go up and down. So right now it's at the bottom position. When it's off, it returns to this position. So I called the manufacturer and they told me that the issue with the screen flashing, MIN or beeping, has to do with the harnesses. They wanted these two to be replaced, which is a lot of labor. I mean, that harness goes down and it comes up into here. It comes up right in there. And all of these cables for the motor that goes up and down, this motor right here, which makes them go in and out. These right here, which replicate some of the massage functions, like the kneading or whatever. All of these motors, and even the limit switch that tells it when it's all the way down, all of these cables are in this harness. So it'd be a lot of labor. But she sent me in the right direction, that the harness itself is the issue. There's some connections that are loose that's preventing this track from going up and down, or the screen from coming on. So the screen's actually telling you that there's a malfunction. So if any of these rollers, where you have a beeping screen, just take notice into what part of the chair is not working. That's going to dictate where the break in the harness is. So in my case, when I opened it up, there was a break here. It was the black cable up there and the pink cable up here, and down there is where they were breaking in between there. So I just cut them, soldered in 4 new ones, and I'm gonna get some crimp caps and clean it up. But I've already tested it, and all the function is back. So all you have to do is unzip this pad in the back. There's a black cover from here all the way down. Take that off using 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you unplug it. And just look around. See, a lot of times what the issue is going to be is that the zip ties on these harnesses are so tight that as this chair is rolling up and down, it's putting stress on these cables. And they already use a very oily and poor wire insulator that's prone to cracking. I work on a lot of other electronics, and these cables are used in everything from irons to clippers to DJ lights. All of these insulator cables are terrible. They crack and break. So in this case, this is what happened. The insulator had broken, and there was a zip tie right here. And it had basically sliced through the cable and broken these 2 cables. So I'm gonna put it back together, and then you'll let you see the track moving up and down, left and right. All right, so this is the motion of the various tracks after the repair. So like I was saying earlier, a lot of the issues with the connections on these cables is going to be caused by either A, the terrible quality rubber insulation or vinyl, whatever they use, that cracks, and then the wire just gets fatigued. But also, if you notice, a lot of these zip ties are just entirely too tight, and that just slices into the cable also. But it's working. Might get some time. I'll probably take some of these off and do them a little looser, because they don't need to be that tight. But so if you're having issues with your screen flashing and beeping, or the 15-minute flashing, and that's it, then it's because there's a break in your cable harness. You just have to figure out where it's at. Here's the screen. You can hear the bags, the airbags inflating and deflating. All right, that's it.